What's up, YouTube? Alright, second video today. We are gonna be cleaning the inside of my engine bay on the Grandpa V. AlmightyEl over there doing his thing. I can hit him up, link in the description. The car dirty as fuck.
Where's that from?
My engine bay.
Oh,
That shit crazy, right? Shit like this that just fucking bothers me. Can't get the shit like that. Still got this shit to do too.
Huh?
I'm saying both of these headlights are fucked up. I don't care, 'cause you know what? I'm fast. That's all I need. Son, come here.
What is it?
Come here.
Is something dead? My back.
You see this shit? Son, I know you see that. You don't see it right there. No, right here, right here, right here.
What?
Son, look at this shit.
Oh, what the fuck?
Look at what the son.
Who did that? This is a dealership, y'all.
Son, that's
Yeah, that's not yours, right?
no. This is not mine. What the fuck?
They're trying to blow your car up, dude.
Look at.
That's crazy. That shit's hot.
That's what I'm saying, son. I was cleaning that shit. I was like, what the fuck? I was like, what's sticking me?
What's sticking me from the back?
Yeah, head ass boy. That's crazy. What? Son, that's what I'm telling you. I'm never taking my car to them again. The shit was literally sitting right there, and I never saw it. Yeah, you're right. Can't be serious. Mad as fuck. Annoyed. I don't know how they forgot a huge ass fucking flathead in my fucking car. Like shit.
What do you think?
Do the hubcap?
Yeah,
Same color?
Once I clean it up, and I'm gonna take this wrap off and redo it. But this is gonna be like a rough dry. What do you think?
Kind of. If you, I don't know, cause that's like the only copper piece on your car.
Yeah, I know. That's the only thing that I don't know about.
If you were to do accents, it'd be different. But I mean, those are just my 2 cents. Screen's all fucked up. Yeah, I know. But basically. That joint is so beat. That joint beat as shit. That's why you don't buy a Ford.
That's exactly why.
Yeah, right?
City stop, you beat your ass, bro.
Tried it.
Right?
Yeah.
That's gonna stop. It's pumping. It's like, oh shit, it's pumping.
Yeah, exactly. Touch me, bitch, I sue you.
It comes right off. You see that? Boom.
Wrapping the V.
Got the
Part 1.
But if you did get a copper wrap, that'd be dope. The whole car copper though. You look like a big ass shiny fucking metal.
A fucking penny.
Yeah,
A huge ass penny.
You see the Chevy symbol? Hey!
Chevy gang!
100.
I'm gonna get a wrap one day.
It's not that expensive.
Pearl white, I'm telling you.
If you buy the wrap, I know somebody that wrapped your car entirely for like $800. You gotta buy the wrap. The wrap's probably like $300, $400. I'll even do it, but I don't wrap cars. I don't wrap whole cars on.
So I'm telling you, that's. I can wear it for today. See how I like it. Honestly.
2 seconds.
These shows copper. You hear me? Let me get these copper. Copper. Copper.